All right, we'll do a couple of these just for a little bit of practice. At this point, the set's practice. Write two equivalent expressions for the area represented by each block. Let x be a side length of the large squares and 1 be the side length of all the small squares. So it's telling you that these are x's and these are 1s. That's essentially what it's telling you. Okay, so if all of these are x squareds, then what do I have? And all of these are x's and these are 1s. What essentially do I have? How many x squareds do I have and how many 1s? I have 3 x's essentially along this side, because if I multiply I get the x squared, so sorry. And I have 2 1s, so that would be 3x plus 2. So one equation is 3x plus 2, and the other equation is going to be 2x plus 3. Now, what's the second equation? The second equation is the sum of all the bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6x squareds. That's 2, 4, well, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's plus 13 x's. Let's make that 13 x's. Right? And then all we got to do is count the single unit squares, which there's 2, 4, 6. So plus 6. There you go. So that's how you do those. And then we move down here. Number 8, I'm not worried about. I'm not going to do number 8. Right? And then down here is just more practice. Okay? It wants you to give it in standard form, factored form. These are kind of tricky. If I remember right, I did this. 9's the trickiest one. 10 and 11 you should be able to do. I mean, they give you 2x and x, so that would be 2x squared, right? 3 times what is negative 15? That would be negative 5. So you should be able to write standard form, factored form. If you have trouble with 9, ask. And then down here it says factor the following quadratic functions, all right? We have, there's a lot. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 8 problems there. Give me 6. Okay? Pick any 6. Any 6 out of that section, and I want you to work on that. Remember your process. Okay? I'll help you with, let's just look at, well, 15. 15 is kind of difficult. I would see if I can divide 3 out of everything. If you can't, you're going to have to multiply 24 times 3, which most people aren't going to want to do. Okay? But here I can multiply a times c, which is 8 times 3, and I get 24. List your factors. Which factors add to give you negative 10. Okay? Group. Take out the GCF and you're done. Again, this process shouldn't take long. It's going to make you think a little bit. Ask questions as you need to.